So let's breathe into a time of meditation just to take this in on a deep level. Bring it from the head to the heart. Allow the music to bring it to the depths of our being on a cellular level, from center to circumference. Let me get who and whose I am. Let me get what is available to me, what's right here, what I'm sitting in the midst of that I might not always see. I am the eye of the storm. I am that I am. I am. May my practice be of benefit to all. May mindfulness grow within me. As I may presence or see in the world around me discord or disruption, I ask that a mighty quickening happen here and now. A quickening in consciousness. An ordaining of sorts, so that I may spend less time in the turmoil, in the storm, in the shame, blame cycle, in the story, in the unrolling. I may spend less and less time there, and more time in the presence. In the present, as the presence, as the gift. Let me be the witness to the world around me, and to the beloveds on the path next to me, in front of me, that I would want for myself. That I would want when I am feeling messy. Give me the strength, the wisdom, the spiritual resources to show up with compassion and gentleness, and to allow all else but the light to melt away. Let me wake up faster. May my practice be of benefit to all. By the power of this practice, may all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of this love. May all beings know that we are born blessed and here to be a blessing. Namaste.